Hey there pool owners, welcome back to the Fix My Bleep channel. I'm your host Greg, and today we have an exciting product review for you. It's the HICHEE Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum, and if you're tired of manually cleaning your swimming pool or dealing with the bulky and complex pool cleaning systems, then this little pool robot might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's dive right in and let's check it out. Okay, so there's everything that was in the box. So you have the robotic unit itself, then you do have a retrieval hook, you have your power adapter, and you've got an instruction manual with some additional parts, it would seem. To charge up our cordless robot pool cleaner, we're going to simply want to turn it over. There's a little plug right here that we're going to want to remove. Plug in your adapter that comes with it. There's only one way you can plug it in, right there. Take it, plug it into an outlet. You'll notice on the front you've got a charging light, a little charging indicator, and we'll just let it charge until that indicator tells us it's fully charged. I just charged it, so we are actually getting a green light, so it's fully charged. Just simply turn the unit on, set it in your pool, and it will self-level as it sinks to the bottom. You'll notice a little green flashing light. And off it goes. You'll notice it's quite quick. It goes right over the pool drains, doesn't get hung up on anything. This is a 15 by 30 foot pool, which it cleans quite efficiently. This pool robot's designed to make your pool maintenance a breeze. With its easy-to-use, efficient operation, this pool robot takes the hassle out of keeping your pool clean. Alright, I'll let the results speak for themselves. This is one round from letting the HICHEE robot go through and clean my pool. Does a really good job, doesn't get hung up on anything, and you have a nice crystal clear pool afterwards. This pool robot comes with a retrieval hook that you'll put on a pool pole. Just take it, snap it into your pool pole like that, and then we'll go retrieve the pool robot. When the pool robot finishes, you'll notice it parks itself near a wall and the red light starts flashing. So we're ready to retrieve it. So let's grab the pole and pull it out of there. Just pull it up like that. Let it drain out for a minute. You'll see the red light and you can actually hear it beeping saying, hey, it's all done, time to recharge the batteries. And to turn it off, just hold in the button. And let's go clean this out and see what we got. They've made this robot really easy to clean out. You've got 4 latches to take off the cover, and then they've got a filter tray that you can just lift off and spray out. Just lift it off like that. Got the filter. Set that off to the side. And there's all the gunk down in there, all the sand and silt, leaves and all the crap. Spray it all out. that. Put it back together. Make sure it seals. Lock it up. Ready to rinse and repeat. Good to go. The cost of this item is currently running $2.29 on Amazon. There's a link in the description where you can check it out. It also comes in a blue or a red model. Alright, so time to go over some of the strong points of the HICHEE robotic pool vacuum starting right now. Strong point number 1, cordless operation. The HICHEE cordless robotic pool vacuum operates on a rechargeable battery, giving you the freedom to clean your pool without any restrictions. Strong point number 2, easy maintenance. Cleaning the robot itself is a breeze. The filter can be easily removed, emptied, and rinsed, ensuring that it's always ready for the next cleaning session. Strong point number 3, long battery life. This little robot will run up to 100 minutes on a single charge. And strong point number 4, versatile cleaning. The HICHEE cordless robotic pool vacuum is suitable for various pool types, including in-ground, above ground. It can handle different surfaces such as tile, concrete, and vinyl, adapting to your specific pool needs. Time to go over a couple of drawbacks of the HICHEE cordless robotic pool vacuum starting right now. Drawback number 1, this robot will park itself, but there's no actual mapping features built into the robot. So the HICHEE cordless robotic pool vacuum cleaner will bounce around the pool picking up everything it encounters, but it may require multiple cleaning sessions for those larger swimming pools. Drawback number 2 is your price point. The HICHEE cordless robotic pool vacuum falls into a little bit higher price range compared to the traditional pool cleaning methods. However, considering the effectiveness and the time it'll save you, it may be a worthwhile investment for the pool owners seeking the convenience and the efficiency this robot offers. In conclusion, if you're tired of spending hours cleaning your pool or dealing with ineffective cleaning systems, the HICHEE cordless robotic pool vacuum is definitely worth considering. Its cordless operation, easy maintenance, easy cleaning, and versatility make it a reliable and efficient pool cleaning companion. I definitely give this product 2 thumbs up, and I'll give it 4.5 out of 5 stars. Thanks for joining me on this product review. If you found this video helpful, be sure and give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to the Fix My Bleep channel for more great content. And as always, remember to keep your pool clean and enjoy the summer. Until next time, I'm Greg, signing off.